How to use messenger chatbots to sell products. So for that, I recommend you guys using two different apps. The first one is Meta Business Suite, which basically is one of the Meta messengers for the businesses. So simply install that and make sure to connect your account to this particular application. So after doing that, in order to create a chatbot, what you're gonna use is some of the other apps that I recommend you guys use a mini chat application. So after installing the application, make sure to connect to your account. You can go along with the process of how you can connect it and simply connect to your business page just like this. So after doing that, what you should do is tap on automation right here, and after doing that, here you'll get the basic to my automations options right here, and you will also get the option of my default reply. So you can change all of these if you want to. Simply tap on setup, and you can continue with Instagram if you want to and set it up like that. So if you want it on your own messenger, what you should do is tap on new automation, and in here you'll need to go along with the process of how you can create your chatbot. So after creating your chatbot, now what you can do is simply go to your business suite application, and in here you'll get the option of the chatbot. Simply tap on the more option and get into the settings. If you tap on automations right here, you'll get the option of chatbot. All you need to do is tap on that one, and then in here you'll get along with the process of how you can add all of the product descriptions and everything in there, so that it will be easier for your business to talk to your customers about selling your products and your business. So yeah, that's it.